Disbelief is deeply tied to negative experiences with religion. Some grew up in strict, judgmental households or churches that forced beliefs on them without fostering love or understanding. These experiences left emotional and spiritual scars. Church divisions, conflicts, and scandals often drive people away. Witnessing hypocrisy or disunity in a place meant to reflect God's love can shatter trust in Him. Some churches have demanded extreme loyalty or participation in practices that stray far from biblical teachings. This creates confusion and mistrust. The actions of corrupt leaders or institutions can also hinder belief in God. Stories of priests, pastors accused of abuse or other moral failings make people question the integrity of all Christians and even God Himself. Misguided teachings, like needing a priest to confess sins or requiring church membership for salvation, create unnecessary roadblocks to faith.